2019 Infiniti QX50. We have to replace the engine. Engine's locked. There's no way to get this thing to neutral other than messing with it here, and we're still trying to get it to neutral so we can push it and take it in the bay on the lift. So I'll show you how to get this thing to neutral. So far we have removed the air cleaner duct or hose, and we're trying to get to the shift actuator, which is on top of the transmission. We are taking a vice grip to connect or to get to the top of the. So the shift actuator that you can see right there has to be removed, and attach a vice grip to the top. I don't know if you can see it. Right there is where the top of the that's where the vice grip is attached, and you just spin it counterclockwise to get the car into neutral. So we got it in neutral. Car is moving. There's a better view of that latch. Since we got the engine out, we're working on the engine replacement, and a lot of the stuff is already out. So these are official instructions on getting the car into neutral, the transmission into neutral. So basically, turn off ignition, engine cover has to be removed, air duct has to be removed, and there's the diagram for that. Let's see. Harness bracket has to be removed. Disconnect the harness connector from the shift actuator, and you actually have to remove the shift actuator. Let me give you the view for that right there. This is the shift actuator right there. Once it comes on, there's a little latch or pin pointing out right there. That's where you attach the vice grip and turn it to get it to neutral.